In this video we will be using Pythagoras to calculate for an unknown hypotenuse. Example 1. Using Pythagoras' theorem, determine the value of the unknown side. And this is a two-part question, part A and part B, which I've covered up at the moment. So the first step that we need to do is list the sides within the triangle as to being A, B or C, which are the values that we use in Pythagoras' theorem. Now I've already gone and done that in this first example, and we'll go on and I'll show you how to do that in the second example. But more or less all I've done to determine the value C, which is our hypotenuse, the unknown which we're trying to find in the question, is I've found the right angle in the triangle and the hypotenuse is located opposite that right angle, just like so. Sides A and B I've listed here A and B, which does not necessarily matter. I could have called this A and I could have called that B. The result is still going to be the same. So that is step 1. Once I've done step 1, I can go ahead and define Pythagoras' theorem, which is C squared equals A squared plus B squared, meaning this side squared equals this side squared plus this side squared. Now we know that to be true because we've got a right angle listed here, and Pythagoras' theorem only works with right angled triangles. Once we've done step 2, which is write the formula, we're going to substitute into the formula for those values C, A and B. As you can see, C is going to be X, A is going to be 12, and B is going to be our 16, which I've just written as so. Keep the squares above it, you can't drop those squares. Step 4 is simply simplifying and solving the problem. So what I've done is I've simplified these values here of the 12 squared and the 16 squared. 12 squared means 12 times 12, which is 144. I then need to add 16 squared, which means 16 times 16, which in a calculator is 256. I then add these two results together to get my 400, which is equal to x squared. What I'm looking for in the question is the unknown x. So what I have to do is turn this x squared into an x, and by doing that I need to take the square root of 400, which is what I've done in this step. X equals the square root of 400, which if you're not sure, put it into a calculator, will give you the result of 20. Now that is our answer, but as a final step, step 5, I've said explicitly state what the answer is. Therefore I've written therefore the unknown side, x is equal to 20 meters. Make sure you include the units in the answer, and you can see that in the question. Question B, very similar to question A. One major difference is that the triangle is orientated a little bit differently, but we use the same process to solve. We've got a right angled triangle, so we can assume that we can use Pythagoras to solve this problem. Just with the previous question, step 1 we need to label the triangle with our sides C, A and B. Now C is the important one. I'm not too concerned about A and B, so we'll start with C. Here's our right angle, and C, our hypotenuse, is going to always be located opposite that right angle. And this is obvious in the question that we're trying to find the unknown hypotenuse, which is x. So this is obviously our hypotenuse. Okay, the hypotenuse is also the longest side, so one of those two methods for locating it will work. Sides A and B, as I stated before, are not too important with regards to what one we call A and what one we call B, but I like to call this bottom side, or the base, I'll call that B, just for simplicity's sake, which leaves us with A. That's the first step done. We can then go ahead and write Pythagoras' theorem, C squared equals A squared plus B squared, and perform the substitution into that formula. C is equal to x, A is equal to 28, and B is equal to 21. We haven't dropped the squares in the formula, they will move down into the next line. The fourth step is part of the simplification and solving of the problem. We're simply simplifying these values here in this step. 28 squared means 28 times 28, which is in a calculator 784. plus 21 squared in a calculator. 21 times 21 is 441. The sum of these two values is equal to 1,225. Once again, this is the value for x squared, not x. So what we're trying to find in the question is x, which means we need to turn this value x squared into x, thus solving the problem. To get rid of that squared, we need to take the square root of this value, 1,225. Therefore, x is going to be, x equals the square root of 1,225 in a calculator, if you're not sure, is equal to 35. The final step with the previous question, step 5, you can explicitly state the result. This is our answer, but I haven't written the units in. Therefore, the unknown side x is equal to 35 meters. We can get this unit meters from the question.